here today for a battle unlike one you've... I'm gonna say that again. We are here today for a battle that you have never seen. Purple versus JD. The collision of worlds, far and wide. The biggest cinematic crossover in history. Let us begin. Yo, we go 1-2 shoot around here.
1-2 and then something?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go on first.
See,
Yeah.
I've been training you. The rules here are simple. We're playing a game of skaters. We're doing alternating sets. So if Purple lands his trick, no matter what, it is JD's try next. And that's about all the rules. The only other rules, have fun, because that's all that really matters, is that you're having fun. So if this video doesn't inspire you to learn how to skate, we're failing. So in that case, leave it in the comments below. But if it does inspire you to learn how to skate, thank Purple.
And leave it in the comments below.
And also leave it. You're better at my job than I am.
My first trick is going to be a rock feeble.
Ref, are we counting hackers?
Excellent. Yes.
JD, you are hacking. Oh!
Oh, there you go.
The fakey! Oh! That right there is the first letter for Purple. Do you want blue or red?
I don't care.
Rick, you can choose. Alternating sets.
I'm gonna do 1 foot disaster because I'm just gonna go right from the guns with that.
Oh! That you got hit with the signature first trick. Oh! It was good, but not as good as Purple's. Let's be real here. All right, JD, back to your set.
Yep. I kind of want to do a 5-0 fakie.
Fantastic. I'm gonna turn around and come back, and then I'll do like 1 foot fakie rock.
Oh! No pressure, J Dizzle.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna try blunt front disaster.
Blunt front disaster. What are they feeding you nowadays? Oh! That was sick.
We'll just do ollie to nose.
Oh, almost missed it.
Oh, I'm gonna try to do blunt back Smith.
All right, Purple, you're up. What? That was cool. That's sick. Oh! Let her! Don't call it a comeback.
Willie 270 or really when it hurts ball.
I just got confused too. It looks so easy, but
I didn't really like that.
it's kind of like alley-oop. Oh! You know, I see you do that trick, JD, and all I have to say is, Willie.
This drop in.
Oh!
Another one I haven't ever done.
Land it next try. You won't get a letter. Ref wants rebate. Ref wants the redo.
Immediately.
Immediately. You got it, Purple. Oh, let's go! What the heck?
And he just did it so
No letter this time. Do the blunt feeble.
One feeble?
Yeah. Oh!
Show me what I'm trying to do.
Ref, you were doing an amazing job.
Thank you.
All right, we are down to the final 2 letters.
All right, how about we jump off the staircase to tail?
Love it.
I'm gonna do the kickflip front pivot 270.
Okay, we're going simple. I'm just gonna do ollie frontside spin.
I'm going back. I want to land this so bad.
All right, nose grind, like roll into a nose grind over. I don't know what you call these grinds, but it's on the front truck. I can tell you that.
Oh!
I'm gonna land this. I don't care. Even if it's gonna make me spin, I just want to land it. I didn't get to pivot.
Right.
Oh!
I'm gonna do that jump off the top here.
You want to see an interesting one?
Sure.
He's gonna do that. Alright, I'm gonna do backside disaster to 450, rock, and then to roll. Okay?
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff going on. I didn't get the last part of it. That's so crazy how it's flutter. Alright, here, I'm gonna do the same trick. There we go.
That was cool.
Front pivot.
That's a tough one. All right, Mo, look at how incredible this front side flip is. Whoa! Wow! Oh! One more try! Oh!
And JD wins.
JD is the winner.
Good game, buddy. Good game.
Watch yourself, Derek. Oh! Oh!
Yeah, just stand there for a second.
Let's go! Let's go!
All right, everyone, that was a fantastic game, and a huge shout out to Purple for literally throwing himself down our Braille drop the opposite way onto our mini ramp many times. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
And JD,
JD the champ.
well done. You know, I really wanted to watch this game of skate, not because I wanted to see who would win, because I know that you have tricks that would inspire him and would be able to give him new ideas. Because I feel like sometimes you're just skating a lot and then you kind of need someone else to kind of give you that extra little like push, right?
Oh, yeah.
So I liked when they were playing, I heard JD like, oh dang, I didn't even think of that. I was like, oh, my work here is
Yeah,
done.
you did exactly what
Yeah.
you needed to. That's perfect.
We hope you all enjoyed this video. Huge thanks to both of these shredders. Their information will be in the description below. And there's some videos right there. Check them out. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.